Hello guys, welcome back to Bankia Mining, and today we'll be looking on how to sell your first NFT on OpenSea. So there will be a link down below of the OpenSea website. So right here is the OpenSea website. First you gotta do is download MetaMask. So you go to the Google Chrome and just click add to Brave, and then just click add to browser. After MetaMask is now installed, you'll start by making an account. So just click get started, and then you want to pick the right option, and after that just read all of this and make sure you agree with it and click I agree. So I agree, and then just make any password you like, and then click the box I have read and agree in the term of use. And now it's the secure your wallet check. And this is the secret recovery phase. So if ever you can't get into your MetaMask account, this is your phrase. So this MetaMask account will be only on for testing videos. You will not be able to get it back on. That's why we're showing you all of these ways. So you're gonna have to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So just do all of them, and then it'll show you that you've created your first MetaMask account. Now after that, I'll just take you back to the home page where you can see Ethereum and everything, and it'll show you your ID as well. So now we're gonna pin this to our browser and go back to OpenSea, and now we'll just click on my wallet on the right hand corner, click on MetaMask and go sign. So as you can see, it's now done, and now you'll want to click on settings. Now click on settings and then click sign, and over here you can just do any username. We're just gonna do test NFT. You can write anything for your bio, just select any profile image you like and any profile banner. After that, so just put in email address, and then if you would like to add any links. And now you go to your emails and which email account you made this profile banner, and just quickly verify your OpenSea account. After that, you will want to go to my collections and then click create a collection. After that, it'll take you to connect your wallet. Click MetaMask. After that, just click sign and you'll be done. Now you can select any logo image or any banner image. We're just gonna do with the same picture, and just write any name you would like it to be. So we're just gonna put this. After that, your URL, so we're just gonna put any, well, yeah. make a URL and just write any type of description you like. So I'm just gonna write a random description. This is just a demonstration video, so this is not what I would normally do. And you can just select what category. So we're just gonna select photography, and then you need your royalties. So like you can select whatever royalty you like, copy your account pay wallet address, and just paste it. Your blockchain will be Polygon, and then just select any where you like display theme. After that, just click create, and you've gone to your test collection NFT or whatever NFT. Click on add item at the right hand corner. Select any item you like, name the item. We're just gonna make it snow sky, and a link. Then just write any description you like matching your picture, and then add it to a collection if you like. And the number of supply, we're just gonna keep it 1, and the blockchain Polygon. And then it'll show you've created your first NFT. So after this, to sell, click on the sell button in the top right corner. Select any amount you like or any Ethereum you like and your duration, and then you need to complete your listing. You need to unlock the currency by signing in, and then it'll say transaction successful, and then click sign in using your wallet, and you've listed your first NFT. As you can see, the current price is there, and you can add any description you like. We've just kept it very, and you can just go back